Hello and welcome to How To For You. Today I'm going to show you how to plug a tire on your car. This tire that I have right here has a leak. The tire pressure is low and I'm just going to show you how to plug it and how to follow these steps. So before I get started, I can confirm that the TPMS or tire pressure monitoring system light has come on, and that is because I have a low tire pressure. As you can see here, it's a little less than 20. It should be up to about 33 at least. So yeah, there's definitely a small leak somewhere in this tire. It once came, on with the TPMS about a week ago, and then every day it's just been kind of gradually building. So I assume that there's a leak somewhere in this tire, hopefully on the tread part, not on the sidewall. It's just been growing and growing, so we're gonna try to plug it and figure it out. So unless it's completely obvious and you can, from the side, view the nail or whatever you think the object is that is causing the puncture, you could also turn the wheel and not even take it off. But I would almost always recommend that you actually jack up the car and then take the wheel off so you can inspect it. And that's what I'm going to do today, because I can't really see where this puncture is and I want to get a better look at it. So I would say jack up the car, take off the wheel, and then we're going to look at it. So after you've taken off your tire, what you're going to want to do is go around the tire, and you're going to want to see if you can see any nails or punctures that seem pretty obvious. I have a lot of rocks and pebbles, but I don't think those really the problem. However, I did see here what looks to be like some sort of nail that went through. So I'm going to try to take that out and see if that is indeed the puncture. So I can confirm, as I am adjusting this, I can hear a small air leak. So what I'm going to do is remove this piece that's stuck in the tire and then show you how to use the kit, because we're going to need to do it pretty immediately after. And so here's the kit that I got at AutoZone. I'm sure I could have gotten one on Amazon or online that was much cheaper, but this is 10 bucks and I need to fix this right away. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do in these steps. We're actually first going to take the reamer applicator, which is this first part here, and we're going to, once we take out the part that's punctured the tire, we're going to then ream it, which basically means we're just going to expand the hole, and then we're going to thread through one of these pieces here with some rubber cement on it, pull it out, cut it. So let's do it. So yeah, let's give this a go. Let's try to pull out the piece that's punctured the tire and then ream it. Make sure I can get a good angle here. Yeah, it's a pretty good hole. So what you're going to want to do is I might have to adjust this because I'm going to sit it up straight. Take this. This is going to be quite tough, but gonna make this hole, expand it, keep working it. I'm not gonna go all the way down, but just about down to right here. Just make that hole. You can then put your little piece in that you used to plug it. So I'm actually going to leave that there for now. I'm going to show you what to do with the next step. So next you're going to get this piece here, and you're going to feed one of these black pieces through this center part, the plugger. You're going to also want to coat it with some of this rubber cement here along this, and actually along the, I guess you could say, the metal part of the plugger. You're just gonna push it down, pull it up, cut it. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this here and put some of this cement all over here. here. And a little bit on the here. Now I'm going to take that reamer out, put this in. And we're not going to go all the way down. Just enough. We're a little bit sticking out. I want to go down a little bit more. So now I've got it in a good spot where there's just a little bit hanging off the top. And so I'm just gonna literally twist this a little bit and just yank it out. And the rest of this should just stay in there. Just go in here. Cool. Then all you're gonna do is take a knife like this. Cut out the excess. And so that is it. It looks like I was able to cut off a lot of the excess here. Move into some better sunlight so you can see. But yeah, that remaining stuff will actually just fall off as you drive. The only thing I would say left to do is when you put the tire back on, just adjust it to the right PSI, I guess, and you're good to go. That's how easy it is. It's super convenient to have one of these kits. I really like the one from AutoZone. I was gonna say one more thing too, which is you can get a lot of different kits out there. I think the AutoZone one is really good because they have this handle. I've seen the ones at Walmart that actually have just like the single like long handle, and I don't think that's very good because you need to put a lot of pressure when you're pushing down on it, and you need that base at the top to then give it that shove. So always look for one that at least has this. You know, there's even higher quality ones that then have the collar so it doesn't make sure it goes down the way like I was saying. This is a really good one. It's 10 bucks. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe.